Our Jandy Pro Series JC heater says check flow valve and isn't heating.it was installed 1 month ago.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
Just started today. The pool heated F1 yesterday.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.its the weekend and our pool store is closed.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Know.thats all.
What type of filter do you have on your circulation system, and what is the pressure reading? I want to rule out that the flow error is due to a dirty filter. Also, check all the pump baskets and skimmer baskets to be sure there isn't a lot of leaves in them which would inhibit full flow. Do you have a variable speed pump or a single speed? We want to rule out the obvious problems before assuming you have a warranty issue and need a document with Jandy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.